Hello everyone and welcome to Neet Mentor. In this video, we are going to take a look at Telangana state cutoff for Neet PG 2022 and the minimum marks required in order to get seat in private college management quota MQ1. I'll also tell you like what are the different quotas in Telangana private colleges and what is the cutoff category wise as well as for different branches. Okay, for minority quota and what are the different OBC category here is available and who are the eligible candidates. Okay, before we start with the video, if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel and you can also call us on 9319128677. Our WhatsApp, you can send us messages also. We have a Telegram group of more than 15,500 members. You can join that Telegram group. It's very useful and you can get all such PDF over there, and you can find that cutoff on our Instagram page also. You can avail our paid counseling guidance as well. Under that, we support you until your admission process and we help you in the preparation as well, how to score more. Okay, so let's get started. First, let's talk about Telangana private college. So there are three different quota. Once you go for Telangana choice, Telangana counseling will know that MCQ1, MCQ2, and MCQ3. Okay, so you can understand it is like Cat A, Cat B, and Cat C. What is the which is the pattern for private colleges in Andhra Pradesh also. So Cat B is management quota, and along with Cat B, you can fill the application form for Cat C when the counseling starts. Okay. And for Cat B, the candidates who are not from Telangana, they are also eligible for the counseling, and you can get the seat there. Cat A, I have the cutoff for Cat A also. Cat A is government quota seat in private colleges. So let's take a look at the cutoff for last year NEET PG 2022 for Cat B, because it's important for candidates who are not from Telangana. They can also participate and good colleges are there. Radio diagnosis cutoff was 16,119 and you need around 480 marks as per the difficulty level of last year, because 480 was the marks required to get 16,000 in 2022. Dermatology, the cutoff was 20,885 and you need around 458 marks. General medicine, the cutoff was 19,763 and need 462 marks. Pediatrics, 21,339 was the cutoff and you need around 455 marks. OBGY, the cutoff was around 24,879 and you need a score of 437. Orthopedics, the cutoff was 47,869. I need around 370 marks. For TB and chest, the cutoff was 31,142 and you need around 417 marks. For general surgery, cutoff was 34,800 and you need around 406 marks. For psychiatry, 83,539 and a score required 288. Ophthalmology, cutoff was 46,424 and 372 is the score that you need. For ENT, 52,000 is the cutoff rank and you need around 358 score in GT. Anesthesia, 54,000 was the cutoff rank and we need around 352 score. Emergency medicine, 44,000. Pathology, just qualifying a score. Okay, so this is all about Cat B. Now coming to Cat A, branch wise cutoff. So there are OBC is categorized. There are 5 different subcategories: BCA, BCB, BCC, BCD, and BCE. In the seat matrix also, the seat is distributed for each and every category, and you need to have that certificate. Okay, and there is minority, Muslim minority quota also, and SC/ST. So radio diagnosis went up to rank of 8,674. Dermatology up to 23,689. General medicine up to 14,967. Pediatrics 13,142. OBGY 22,693, orthopedics 25,634, TB chest 19,611, general surgery 20,680, psychiatry 48,099, ophthalmology 34,588, ENT 36,229, anesthesia 30,135, and pathology up to just qualifying score. For Muslim minority colleges, um, you can get up to quite lower score. Okay, but it depends, like if the seats are available, but in how many, because for dermatology, if you see, the cutoff is better for open quota than minority, and same for OBGY also. Okay, but for radio you have benefit in minority quota, and for minority quota you need to have certificate for Muslim minority, then you can get the benefit. Okay, so that's all from my side in this video. If you have any doubt and you want to contact us for any support or guidance, you can let us know on 9319128677. In case you want the similar videos for other state counseling, then also you can check our playlist. Okay, you will find the videos for all open states as well as major closed states. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.